Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna bring you a quick little update on my karaoke entertainment system here. I actually have a Klipsch system. I did a few updates on my setup. So a lot of people have been asking about what kind of wireless karaoke microphone system that I have, and it's made by Tonor. If you want to check out this awesome product, just check out the links down in the description below. But this is the actual mic right here. It comes with two of them. So the Tonor microphone system actually connects via XLR cables from the back into my mixer, but I'll show you the back of this thing. This is what it looks like here. These are where the XLR cables plug into. You have your DC in that actually connects over in the back and just plugs into a regular wall outlet. And then make sure that these antennas here are up. The microphones actually have their own separate channel. So as you can see here, this is 904.4, which correlates with that first mic right there. Testing, testing. It also has inputs where when you're talking through it, you can tell which one it is because you'll see that little bar up there. Jump, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. When you turn it on, you do have to hold the button for a few seconds like that, and it'll come on. This channel actually is 916.4, which correlates with the right side right there. So again, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. You see the bars popping up there. When it comes to turning off the mics, really easy. You just hold it for a few seconds and then it'll turn off. Same thing with this one. And then when you want to turn off your system, you just hold this down for a few seconds and it cuts off. And this microphone has two AA batteries. You just unscrew the bottom off of there and screw it back in. I actually have one right over here. And I'm also gonna go over my settings too, because I had a lot of questions about that. So this is the mic right here. As you can see, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. The sound is very clear, comes out through all the speakers there at my tower, my center channel. I also have some surround speakers up there, and it sounds very clear. So I'm just gonna show you my settings really quick. I'm actually talking through the microphone right now, and let me set this down over here. I like to have my receiver set to 50 or whatever is a good midpoint for you. So I have my volume here adjusted to 50. I have the actual wireless karaoke knobs set on the halfway point as well. And then on my mixer, this is your mic 1, mic 2, your TV sound or the music, and then this is your master controller. This actually controls and elevates or lowers the sound of your voice and the music all together. And then this is your reverb or your echo. And so that is my setup. If you all have any questions, again, just leave them in the comment section below. So I chose this Tonor wireless mic because I love how clear it sounds and it's very simple to use. It works from the very opposite end of the home. If I went way back there, you'd still hear my voice in this living room, and the battery life lasts a long time. But I like this setup so far. I have it, like I said, the receiver set to 50, and this is on the halfway mark, and these are the current settings right here. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and play some music, and if it doesn't sound right with my voice, doesn't sound even, then what I'll do is I'll adjust the sound of my voice just right over here. I won't play with anything over here. I'll leave this be and just adjust the sound of my voice, or I'll also turn up the volume right down there.
I want to talk about Cash App.
So you can see the sound from the speakers there, and this is my voice. So I think that sounds pretty even there. So, but this is the voice coming from these speakers over here. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So, around here.
I can do all that with Cash App and do more with my
testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So this is Heaven by Kane Brown. This is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. I couldn't dream this up. track. You and me in this moment feels like magic, don't it? I'm right where I wanna be. If for some reason your voice is too high, you can just lower it right over here. And you can see the voice is very low. If you want to turn it up, you can crank it all the way up here. I keep it at the midpoint right over here, like I said before. And if for some reason you want to turn up the volume and make everything loud as a whole, you can just turn up the volume right over here, just like that. So that's a lot louder now. So that's pretty much my settings on the karaoke setup. All right, we're gonna use both microphones and we're gonna do a duet together. So let's go ahead and find the song. We're gonna try to sing A Whole New World. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Do a quick little distance test with the microphone to see how clear it is. I'm gonna have her take the microphone, walk all the way back there and sit down. It's about over 40 feet away. Way back over here. She's gonna sit down over here and sing one of these songs here. So let me come all the way back here. And what we have to do is we're going to try to play this at the same time. I'm gonna play this at the 2-minute and 5-second mark. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it lined up with it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and sing. Go ahead and sing, see what happens. See how it sounds.
Over the ocean for you, I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero, your strength.
Okay, you can try to go over there now and see how it sounds.
I will be the sun in your sky. I will let you wait for all time. Promise you, I will. Yeah, yeah. For you, I will.
So as you can see here, it sounds very clear.
For you, I'll fight. Oh, for you, I will die. With every breath, with all my soul, I'll give
She's all the way over here.
give it all. Would you make me? And I'll do anything. Oh.
Since the last time you've seen my other video, I also bought another Klipsch subwoofer system. I used to only have one, now I have 2 of these. And then I also upgraded the back of my Philips TV with this Govee backlight kit. If you want to check out this awesome product, just check out the links down in the description below. Really easy to set up. It does have like a little camera on the front part here that actually records what's on the screen so it can mimic the colors on the back. This is actually set up for music, so that's why it keeps on pulsating to the sound of my voice. So as you can see here, it doesn't go down to the very bottom across here. It just goes up and around the top there like a big U. So really nice to have whenever you're singing karaoke, especially at nighttime. It really lights up the whole back wall. So in addition to the Tonor microphone system, I actually bought some additional items. I bought this anti-rolling attachment. That's like a piece of rubber attachment that prevents the mic from rolling around so it doesn't fall off. And I also bought this foam mic mesh that prevents a lot of extra noises or popping and crackling noises when you're singing. So you just slide it on there. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this quick review on my Tonor wireless microphone update or my karaoke system update. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.